Well, I am so excited to be at the Portland Japanese Garden with Megumi. And so we are so excited you are open again. And so really the garden is the garden, isn't it?
It is. It's honestly, we've had a lot of our garden staff here this whole time just putting their heart and soul into keeping the garden as immaculate and wonderful as possible. And so the garden it's still the garden. There's a lot of things that's changed right now in the world, but we're a place that, hasn't really changed. It's still beautiful. It's lush. Irises are going to be blooming soon. Yeah. We're all glad to be back.
It is, and we were just saying Mother Nature is not canceled, and so things go on. And so we've been kind of following you and all of your Facebook postings, and it's been so nice to see it, even though we couldn't be here, just to see it's our favorite place.
Oh, thank you so much for saying that. We do feel really honored to still be the same place and to be able to be open as an outdoor space. And yeah, we're excited to have everyone come back through. We're excited to be a place that the community can come to and get some fresh air and get outside and enjoy nature. So
definitely. And there's just a little bit of differences. And really, if you can tell us what it is so that we can enjoy this place safely.
Yes, yeah. So like you were saying, the garden itself hasn't changed. It's really just the way that we navigate it. So starting with, we're both wearing masks, and so all of our staff are wearing masks and face coverings. We're asking that all of our guests do as well. And then we're also physical distancing, as we also are. And so we have some signage in place throughout the garden as well that helps to remind people, because oftentimes when you're going through the garden, it's really easy to forget and get lost in the moment. So
very much.
Yeah, we also have time ticket entry. So if you're coming to the garden, you can buy your tickets online and reserve your time to come. And then so every 30 minutes, we're allowing people to come in. That really allows us to limit capacity. And again, just make sure that people are social distancing as well.
And that is such a nice thing, because we can respect each other and respect each other's people as they come through the garden. And to come here and be so calming and to enjoy this space we are just so lucky to have it.
Yeah, no, we feel lucky to be a place that can do that for the community. And we really do feel like Portland is just, we love Portland. And so we're really looking forward to seeing everyone back here and letting everyone kind of open their hearts and enjoy nature together.
Well, you can go to the Garden Time website, and we can click you over to the Portland Japanese Garden website. You can get your tickets, come out and enjoy this wonderful space. It is just really would be good for everyone's heart and soul. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.